Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is to draw your attention to the condition of the former First Lady of Pakistan, Mrs. Bushra Imran Khan. She is being kept in solitary confinement under the guise of house arrest in sham politically motivated cases. She has been given no to very limited access to her family and even her lawyers. We have come to know that 10 days ago, when her daughter met her, and through her lawyers who met her today, that her life is under serious threat. She believes she has been poisoned through food with some sort of poison or acid, which has caused extensive damage to her mouth, throat, and stomach. Her request to be seen by her personal physician, by her trusted physicians, has been constantly denied, perhaps to cover what has actually happened to her. She was sent a team of junior doctors from PIMS, which she neither trusts nor deemed trained enough and capable enough to find out and examine what exactly has happened to her. Her health is constantly deteriorating. She's a private lady who's being subjected to violence and such torture just so her husband could be coerced, who happens to be the former Prime Minister Imran Khan. She's being tortured and subject to state brutality and political victimization of its worst kind. We need to say no to women being used as a tool for political victimization. We need to say no to state brutality. She has requested to be moved to Adiala jail, the prison, but those